Hi, I'm Yessy from Yessy's Designs. I'm working here on the Milagros sweater. We are going to divide now the sleeve stitches and the body stitches. Take a long piece of waste yarn to have it ready for when it is time to place the stitches that belong to the sleeves. Choose a yarn that is a lighter weight than the one you are using for your pattern. Thread it onto the yarn needle. Insert the needle through the number of stitches that the pattern asks you for. Do this purlwise as you can see in this tutorial. Now pull the needle through. You're gonna take now the needle off and leave a long tail, just enough to make a knot or make a ribbon so the stitches do not come out. Now this is how your stitches are gonna look, and the next time you work with them, it's when it's time to work on the sleeve. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to cast on the underarm stitches using the cable cast on. To do this, you're gonna go to the wrong side of your work and prepare the stitches like this. You're gonna take your right hand needle and you are gonna put it through the front loop of the last stitch that you see here purlwise. Purl it through the loop, but do not take it off of the needle just yet. You're gonna put it on the left hand needle without twisting the stitch. Now to continue with the cable cast on, you insert the needle in between the first two stitches from back to front. Pull it through the loop and place it on the left hand needle. Let's watch it again. Watch this as many times as you need. Please be very patient with the process. It's gonna take a little time. Make sure that you are not twisting the stitches. Don't do this too tight. Insert the needle in between the two stitches from back to front. Pull it through the loop and place it on the left hand needle. Now when you work on the last stitch before you transfer it to the left hand needle, you're gonna put your yarn in the front and then you're gonna transfer the stitch without twisting it. Now you can see how the stitches look. Make sure that you are not twisting the stitches. Now you're gonna turn your work over and you are going to continue knitting. When it is time to work on the sleeve stitches and to cast on underarm stitches, you're gonna repeat what you just watched in this tutorial. I hope that this was very helpful, and I cannot wait to see your Milagros sweater.